Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video where I changed this up here because I never had used it before to group those together. And then when you select them, there's actually the ungroup. But one of my, evidently a subscriber, because he comments and watches a lot of my videos, and I've helped him out through the years. We draw a black box. And I think this is just because when I first started in Corel Draw, this wasn't available in X. I started with X13, or really 13. They didn't call them X back then. It was just version 13. Now we're like to version 25. And I go, and if I want to put this black, I go to Object, Order, Back a Page. And this person questioned me. He goes, and he even sent me a little diagram. He goes, and I knew it was there, but I just don't use it right there. And you can actually think, the graphic is, the part is in the back of the layer, and you get the same thing. And ironically, when you do that, then the front comes back. So you can toggle between them. I will start using them. It's just one of those things that you don't think about. Teaching an old dog new tricks. Like right now, there's nothing selected. So it doesn't come up, but it does when you have something selected. And you can do what we did earlier. You could go customization, toolbar item, caption only, and call it front of layer. See, I call it, I actually go to object in order, and I guess I do. I think it's front of page, but it's kind of the same thing. So I'm gonna change that. So now I've got front of layer. Well, no, I've got two items selected. So now I'm gonna actually make one for, I don't even think it has to be highlighted. You can click on it, right click, customize toolbar item, and caption only. Of course, it's hot. It's grayed out right now. But there it is right there, front of layer. This is on the front of the layer. So now this, well, making a liar out of me. So this is definitely on the front of layer. And I guess maybe it has to have more than one layer, because see, on the way I do it, I can go to object, order, back of layer, and I just don't see my graphic. Well, there it is right there, back of layer. But where happened to my frontal layer? Let's go customization. I mean, we named it caption only. So let's click on it now and that's what it is. This is on the back of layer. I've got it selected, and I put it in the frontal layer. Then the back of layer comes up. So I'll start using that. It's just one of those things. And that wasn't, they didn't, I don't know when that started, but they didn't used to have those icons up here. They didn't used to have that. And, I like the wordage without looking at the symbol, just like on the earlier today when we did the video on group. I'd rather say it group, instead of the group icon, because it is so small. So if we group it, then you select them again and you got the ungroup. As long as you have enough room for the wordage, that's the way I'm going to go. But anyway, I think that viewers are a subscriber, and for that little insight, and that does make life a little easier. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.